All right, guys, let's do an update here for Zebec Network. So currently right now we're trading at 0.001022. We are up 6% in the last 24 hours. Also a surge in the volume at 46%. So it does indicate some renewed buying interest here, and we're going to see if the momentum is going to continue. So taking a zooming out portion here, we're going to take a look on the daily time frame. And as we can see that the price is in this downwards channel, coming down to an area of support, resistance, resistance. But if we take a look closer, our resistance level here was being retested multiple times. So the more times that an area of resistance or support is tested, the stronger that is going to be. So that necessarily means for us in the next 24 to 48 hours, if the buyers are really going to break out this resistance level, it's going to take very big conviction, a surge in the volume here, and higher volatility. As we take a look into the daily time frame here, our Bollinger Bands kind of seem to go narrowing towards the downside, so we may see a rejection level at this point. If we do see any possible signs of a breakout for the bulls, what we need to look out for is a break above our 100 moving average here. Now, this price point is around 0.00108. If we do see a daily close above this, most likely we're going to break through this trend line itself. If we do see on the downward side here, if we do see a close roughly around this price of 0.0009, and we see this daily time frame candle close around this level, it is a bearish reversal at this upwards trend. So just kind of be cautious as to where this candlestick does close. We're going to zoom into the 4-hour time frame here. Because we see the Bollinger Bands are expanding just so lightly, it does kind of suggest that more volatility is added into this market. Now, in the next 4 hours, we are going to anticipate a pullback towards the downside, and this is going to be a test on our 20 moving average. If the price is able to hold above this level, we may see another uptick in volume towards the upside. If we see a break below our 20 moving average, then most likely we might see immediate support being found around that 9 marker that I mentioned earlier. Now, the reason why I say that most likely we're going to see a pullback towards the downside here is this candlestick up here. Now, this candlestick body is mainly at the very bottom, but what alarms me is this candlestick wick at the very top here is twice the size of the actual body. So it shows us in this 4-hour time period, in this candlestick, there is an uptick of volume towards the high. However, most of the activity was mostly on towards the sellers. There was a huge selling price, and that's why in that 4-hour time frame, there was a lot of selling activity. So just kind of be cautious. If we're able to hold above the 20 moving average, we may see an uptick again towards the upside, testing the resistance around this price point of 0.0108, possibly coming up to our immediate resistance here that we do need to see a break. Now, if we do see a break above our resistance, again, tread very lightly, as we do want to see that resistance turned into support and then continue on, because sometimes we'll see the price break through resistance, but then it's a failed breakout and price will continue back into the channel. So those are my 2 price points to take a look at in the next 24 hours, and then immediate 4 hours as well for 4 to 8 hours to see how we hold very nicely around our 20 moving average. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.